Welcome to this guide on how to find and discover the Clinic Hub by Hearing Loss Toolkit free deals if you or someone you know is dealing with hearing challenges. This Clinic Hub is designed to connect you directly with trusted resources, providers, and services, all in one easy to use platform. So, what is the Clinic Hub? It's a comprehensive directory that brings together clinics, specialists, and healthcare providers who focus on hearing health. Instead of searching through countless websites, the Clinic Hub makes the process simple, organized, and reliable. Here's how to find it. Step 1. Access the Hearing Loss Tool Kit platform. From the main page, look for the Clinic Hub section. It's the gateway to everything you need. Step 2. Once inside, use the search tool. Type in your location or the type of hearing care you're seeking, like audiologists, hearing aid services, or diagnostic clinics, and the hub will instantly display relevant results. Step 3. Take advantage of the filters. You can refine your search based on services, ratings, or distance. This ensures you'll find the right clinic that matches your specific needs. Step 4. Explore the detailed clinic profiles. Each listing provides key information such as services offered, contact details, and operating hours. Many profiles also include helpful descriptions, giving you insight into what each clinic specializes in. Another useful step is to check the reviews and experiences shared by other patients. These give you a clear idea of the quality of care you can expect before you even make your appointment. And here's a bonus. By using the Clinic Hub through Hearing Loss Toolkit free deals, you may also discover exclusive offers and resources designed to make hearing care more accessible and affordable. The hub is continuously updated, meaning you're always connected to the latest clinics and services available. So, if you're ready to take control of your hearing health, start today by discovering the Clinic Hub from Hearing Loss Toolkit free deals. Your clearer path to better hearing begins here.